Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A couple days ago I bought this PS3 for just 15 euros to be a parts donor, because the condition isn't for sure the best. However, when I got home I started thinking that I could do a cool project with this sad console, and instead of breaking it for parts I gonna save it and give it a second chance. As you can see, it is missing the Blu-ray drive, but we don't gonna need it because we're gonna transform this PS3 into a digital version. So as always, have a seat, relax, enjoy me in another project. Stick around. The disassemble will be quick because most of the screws is already missing. With all the parts disassembled, the first thing to do is remove the top vinyl skin. We're gonna make some measurements because we're gonna cut the top case to make it a little bit different. With the cut 100% done, it's time to repair the crack on the case in the Blu-ray slot. In fact, we're gonna cover it completely because this will be a digital version. For that, we're gonna use some epoxy. After the epoxy dry, all we need is sand the excess and the old case and get them ready to the paint. We also gonna send the top shield, the power supply case and the fan cover because we also gonna paint them later. For the exterior cases, we're gonna use some dark blue, and for the interior parts, you're gonna spray them in ice white. Now, while the paint is still drying, we're gonna do a quick clean to the rest of the internal components. And with all done and the paint already dry, we are ready to start reassemble this console once again. So let's start. For the top, I already prepared a piece of acrylic with some spacers to cover the hole that we cut earlier, and we also have some white vinyl to the PS3 letters, so let's move on. this is it. A PlayStation 3 Slim version saved from the dead. With a low budget, a couple ideas, and this console is ready to live many years again. The acrylic window on the top and the LEDs in the interior make this PS3 look super cool and for sure different. For gaming, I install HEN custom firmware and we can now play games directly from the hard drive or from the USB drive. And that's all for today. If you like what you saw and want to see more, please consider subscribe, leave a like, comment and also share this video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.